All right, so here we are. Welcome to the journey and the struggle. If this is my first video you're seeing, this whole thing started with me randomly watching a guy named Yoni, shout out Yoni, build Airbnb in 60 seconds with Claude Sonnet 3.7 and Cursor AI. I thought, man, I've got a lot of what I think are sweet ideas to solve business problems, but I can't bog down our developers chasing random ideas. But if I can teach myself how to build these things in 60 seconds, well, now we're talking. Not only that, I'm trying to launch one per week, and I plan on giving these away for free. Hey, John, it's me, future you. You're 40, bud. Haven't you ever heard, you can't teach an old dog new tricks? You've never written a line of code in your life. Stick to what you know. Stick to what's comfortable and easy. Go get some sales or something. Yeah, okay. Relax, old John. This isn't going to take away from our day-to-day or personal life. Instead of watching Netflix at night, I'll be researching this. And then I'm going to implement what I learned during my lunch breaks. Nothing's going to slip. You're just going to have to catch up on shows later and pack your lunches for a month or two. So, now that we know where we're at, let's get rocking.
All right, day one. Let me get this out of the way so we can see this guy's stuff. So last night, spent some time trying to figure out how to get everything set up to be able to do this vibe coding with Claude and Cursor AI. Found this video I thought was pretty good. So this guy's name is Corbin Brown. Shout out Corbin Brown. Looks like a pretty legit engineer. Seems like he's building some cool stuff. But he's also doing a video series that's kind of like tutorials on how to get this set up for beginners. So this one's 28 minutes. It's actually a pretty easy watch. Corbin, I think, is actually kind of funny. So he makes it entertaining, does some good cutscenes. So it goes by pretty quickly, but it's very detailed in what it is that he's talking about. So yeah, I just wanted to share this. I'm obviously not going to watch this video. I watched it last night. But again, Corbin Brown, and it's Cursor AI Beginner's Guide to AI Coding in 28 minutes. A lot of this video is actually just how to get like your computer set up, being able to download the right stuff to be able to use this software, because unfortunately you can't just go into to Cursor and prompt Claude to write something for you, copy and paste everything in, boom, you've got your stuff. You actually have to get your computer set up to be able to use it. At least that's my understanding so far. One thing that I do really like about this, though, is not only is he very detailed in what he explains, and he kind of dumbs it down for beginners, really, so you can go through it. But the other thing that he does is he provides this this like step-by-step guide that's written out. So I think that's really nice. Is I can put this on one screen, have what I'm working on in the other screen, and kind of just rip through both and get that knocked out. So there's a lot to this. I'm not going to do all of this on this video because it's a lot. So getting the computer set up, getting your terminal going, getting everything functioning to be able to actually do the work, I don't know, it's going to take me a while to get through this. Hopefully it's less than an hour, but we'll see. I'm going to try not to pull in Nate or any of the other devs to cheat my way through this, but I'm not going to do this on video. So what I will be doing tomorrow on day 2 is letting you know how it went. Hopefully I can get it done. But anyways, that's what we're working on today. We got the Corbin's video, right? Checking that out. And then I've got his tutorial on how to get everything set up on my computer. That's the goal. Hopefully we can get that done during lunch today and come back tomorrow with day 2. All right. See you soon.
All right. Baby steps. Make sure to follow me and turn on your alerts to keep up with how things are going. Remember, the goal is to launch one web app every Friday that solves a problem in business, and I'll be sharing them on here for free. See you around.